to you with something new, and I'm just saying, I may or may not have just got married on Sunday. I'm just saying, I'm just throwing that out there. So I'm on like cloud 75 right now. So just bear with me. We're not going on our honeymoon until next year. So that's why I am back to work. I am going to put some footage on YouTube, but that's coming. But as far as pictures and things like that, they are flooding my social media right now. You know, sometimes you talk, I cannot sit. It seems like every time. I've been so upset. It happens far too often. Okay, now I'm bringing you a wig from Supernova. Now, you may or may not have heard about the fake scalp trend that is happening with wigs, and it's supposed to make it to where you don't need a stocking cap. Oh, they sent me some mink lashes too, you guys. These are faux mink. But a lot of companies seem really like not good lashes, so those are cute. Those are cute. They also sent an elastic. Okay, so this is the wig. It's a straight wig, 18 inches. And y'all I haven't worn straight hair in quite a while, so I'm pretty excited about this. But this is, it's 180% density. So you want to just make sure that you pay attention to those parameters so that you don't get something else by mistake. Because if you do, it's not my fault, okay? Okay. It has the adjustable strap in the back, and there's 1, 2, 3 combs, okay? This is what the inside looks like. You have your Swiss lace. I do have my tint spray, but I'm not gonna bleach the knots. But this right here is the fake scalp that I was referring to. It is sewn onto the back of the frontal piece. So it's supposed to alleviate the need for a cap, so you don't have to do that dreaded ball cap method. Oh my God, it's really on there, you guys. They have 6 scalp colors available, so you're able to really customize your unit. It does come with baby hair in the front. It's plucked, but it can be plucked more. But I do want you guys to know that it is pre-plucked, so you don't have to do this. I'm just being extra. The hairline is very, very nice, very natural. You guys have seen me pluck before, so I don't want to bore you. I don't. I only want you guys to be happy, okay? I will jump back when it's time to lay and style.
Smiling back at you. I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized, I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful, all I want is your love, can't get enough. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient